54 item, my lord, personal appearance है, DM, SP both of them here, my lord.
Of which place?
In my lord, criminal read number 1404, custodial death का वो case है,
Which place?
दरभंगा. Both are here, my lord.
I'll take up that matter. Did you inquire into that?
Sir, we reviewed
What is
case
the
of
position?
postmortem, sir. No external injury was found. We called doctor who has done postmortem report. So according to doctors, cardiopulmonary failure was reason of death.
No, but several injuries have been noticed on his body. That is the case, if I correctly remember.
Sir, हम लोगों ने
He has suffered injury on his head,
sir,
and then he has several sign of assault on his body,
Certain marks of electrocution also.
electrocution also.
सर बैक साइड जो है वो डेथ होने के बाद जो है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स से जो ब्लड जमा होता है उसके कारण वो येलोइश दिख रहा था सर. हमने डॉक्टर से इस मामले में डिटेल में डिस्कशन भी किया.
नहीं, उसका पोस्टमार्टम का आपने देखा
जी
सीसीटीवी
सर,
वगैरह?
सीसीटीवी फुटेज भी देखा है
It
सर.
was conducted under the CCTV.
जी सर, फुटेज के वीडियोग्राफी फुटेज के साथ किया गया है सर.
किया गया है.
जी सर. सर ये ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन में भी मैटर है सर और जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी भी इसकी चल रही है जैसा कस्टोडियल डेथ में होता है सर. ओल्ड मार्क पैर पे कट के हैं, एक आईज के पास एवरेजन था सर.
Judicial inquiry is going on.
जी सर.
Who is conducting the inquiry?
So some municip judge, I don't remember the name sir, but it's in the progress. एक तो गवाहों का गवाही उनके यहाँ बचा हुआ है, बात हुई थी हमारे ऑफिस से, तो उसके बाद उनका रिपोर्ट मिलेगा.
Even assuming everything to be true, I'm asking this question.
No,
to
no,
myself.
then there is another issue, na? If a judicial inquiry has already been instituted and that is going on, you should have disclosed that in your petition.
That was not informed, Millets. And moreover, they refused to register the FIR against the certain incidents.
You are not understanding. A judicial inquiry is in accordance with the provisions of the CRPC.
Millets.
If that has already been instituted, then in that inquiry would only reveal, after taking a statement of all the witnesses, the learned magistrate shall record his opinion.
But information in that regard was not brought to the notice of the petitioner.
Not brought to the notice of the petitioner. Petitioner has not been called.
No, Millets.
How it can be? He is saying that witnesses have been examined.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes sir.
How many witnesses have been examined?
Sir, I don't know the exact numbers, but I was informed कि 2 गवाह और बचे हुए हैं उस जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी में जिनकी.
Do you know some case number, etc.? Who has instructed you on this?
Sir, my office staff is.
Ask him what is the case number.
The
Whether he is
judicial
aware
inquiry-
of,
Sir, judge, the judicial inquiry number, sir.
yes, case number, and then what is the present stage of that judicial inquiry. I would have called for a report from the learned magistrate itself. But he says that it is not within his knowledge, in the knowledge of this petitioner.
Sir, we don't get information from the judge who is conducting the inquiry, sir. We just.
No, they must have called you.
Yes, sir. Because the incident took place in the jail, sir. He must have called the jail authority.
Must have called the jail
Sir,
authorities.
sure, sir.
Must have been recording the statement of the witnesses.
SP office is not under information of any of this.
Has no information. Do one thing, find out from the jail superintendent.
Sir.
And you call upon your client.
Millets.
Ask her what is the present position of this inquiry. Because it would not be proper to pass order when the judicial inquiry is already going on.
Millets.
ठीक है? I will not even record his statement because that may prejudice the inquiry. लिखिए, pursuant to the last order. Do you have any report on this? Have you prepared any report?
Yes, sir. We have submitted. Sir.
I filed my contract.
You have filed this with counter affidavit.
My report with all the reports, madam.
cases of custodial death are increasing. This court is finding that one after another, every week I am finding one case or two cases coming to me in which custodial death is being alleged. And I don't know what is the present position of inquiry, but prima facie he had satisfied me that day, showing several photographs of the deceased. Apparently those injuries may be noticed by anybody with naked eyes. When did you join at this place at Darbhanga?
Sir, January this year, sir.
January this year. And this occurrence is of
June, sir.
June.
Sir.
So it is during your period.
Sir.
Legally pursuant to the last order, the district magistrate, your name please?
Rajiv Roshan, sir.
Mr. Rajiv Roshan and Mr. Swenso,
Avkash Kumar.
Mr. Avkash Kumar, the Superintendent of Police, Darbhanga are present. Full stop, a counter affidavit has been filed. Full stop. Next, at this stage, it has been informed to this court by the district magistrate Darbhanga that in this matter a judicial inquiry is going on by a learned judicial magistrate of the district court at Darbhanga. Full stop. The Superintendent of Police has informed that in fact some of the witnesses have also been examined, but he is not fully aware of the present stage of the said proceeding. Next. In the aforementioned circumstance, this case is being adjourned to 16th of January 2023. Full stop. The petitioner shall file a supplementary affidavit stating the present stage of the judicial inquiry. Next, also call for a report from the District Judge Darbhanga as regards the pending judicial inquiry and the stage of the same, as also the time likely to be taken in conclusion thereof by the learned magistrate. Full stop. List accordingly, personal appearance of the district magistrate and the Superintendent of Police Darbhanga is dispensed with.